Inbound sales is broken at one of the most critical moments. That is when your prospect lands on the website. They either ping a chatbot, read your docs, or book a demo. That demo ends up happening 3 to 7 days later. By that time, the intent is gone down, the momentum is lost, and you have to build everything from the scratch. This all changes today with our inbound sales agent that conducts product demo. Let me walk you through how this works. Now, when a prospect lands on your website, they can right away request a live demo. They have to just put their name and email, and they can request whether human rep they want to allow joining in or not. You will get an email right away that someone has requested a demo. You can either join the meeting or just see the analysis later. The demo is loaded here, and I will just join.
Hi, Ajitesh. I'm Paris, your AI demo agent for Tough Tongue AI. I'd love to walk you through our platform today. Before I dive in, could you tell me a bit about yourself? What brings you here? And what does your team look like?
I'm a VP of sales at a fitness tech startup and looking to train my team of 30.
Thanks for sharing that, Ajitesh. Let me frame what we'll cover today around 3 core experiences: create, interact, and learn. Let's dive in and start with the homepage. On the homepage, right in the center, there's a prominent Create Scenario button in a vibrant pink-purple box. This is where you can start building your custom AI roleplay agent. Above it, you'll see several scenario cards, like Google PM Interviewer and Sales Cold Call, with join buttons underneath. These are pre-built scenarios ready for interaction. On the left, there's a sidebar with different sections like Scenarios, Course, Coach, and Analytics tools. This layout highlights how easy it is to jump into pre-made scenarios or create your own. Now, let's move on to building an agent from scratch. We're now in the Scenario Studio page. On the left, there's an Omni box where you can describe what you'd like to edit or create by just typing in plain English. On the right side, you have fields like name, user visible description, scenario type, and description for AI. Here,
Show me the analytics portion of this app, like what data can I get out of it?
Here we are on the Your Sessions page. There's a list of previous sessions in a table. Each row shows details like the scenario name, creation date, duration, and status. Analytics.
So like that, you could make the agent navigate, ask the right set of questions. But could I get and there is a detailed analytics, and you could see that how the interaction was. For example, I could go to the user and see like what was the intent or the likelihood of this being converting. What was the interaction like, video, audio, what were the signals, and when my sales team has to follow up, what things they need to keep in mind. This is also the helpful data for me to tune the agent for the next demo that it does. Hopefully this gives you a good overview of how SnapSDR works. Thank you so much.